Yo, just like everywhere in Albania, everybody's got a Benz. It's like Benz, 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 Benz.
Hey guys, what's going on? So this is our first day in Shkoder. We're gonna grab some breakfast and then head up to the castle, see what happens.
What's up, guys? So we found this cafe. They do breakfast. We'll put them in the description below if it's good. We're gonna go wander around the town today and try to hit the castle. Look at this thing. That's crazy. Yo, that's cool.
What do you think?
That's really good.
All right.
Yo, what's up with the whippersnappers? So this is fruit with yogurt, and this is the avocado kind of poached egg toast thing. Off the hook. Stolia, the place is called. We'll put it in the comments.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we found this wonderful mosque right here in the middle of Shkoder City. We only been here about half a day, but I think it's pretty awesome. It seems a lot more fast-paced than like Saranda or Vlora, and the people here are super friendly. Let's check out some more.
Yo, so the agenda today, guys, is we're probably gonna go walk through the old town for a minute, get some content for you guys over there, and then head over to the castle. The town is pretty well organized. It doesn't seem like it's very difficult to figure out where to go, so we're gonna be just winging it today.
I'm not sure, but I think it's about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 degrees cooler than Tirana.
Yeah, it's
definitely colder here than in Tirana.
It's colder, but the air is so fresh and it's so crisp that, like, I don't know, I'm just like really enjoying breathing. Yeah, you know, after being in the city. So I gotta say, guys, like, first impressions are like really positive. Yo, what's up, guys? So the old town is really nice. The air is really fresh, and so far I haven't had any food that wasn't amazing. This is definitely a win-win, and it has a strangely kind of almost like a faster paced feel to it in some ways, even though it's a small city, like very vibrant. I would definitely recommend this as a spot to work or to live or to be based. I think you'd have a high quality of life up here.
I have to say, no one is like wearing a mask or anything.
Yeah, yeah, you don't have to worry about any crazy like lockdown stuff. I mean, everybody's normal. It's the same as everywhere in Albania. It's like life goes on, you know?
Yeah, it's just like another day in the neighborhood.
Yeah, it really is kind of an amazing place. It's like one of the few places left in the world where it's almost like none of this ever happened.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So this town is just like a work of art. This is like you want to like in your mind imagine what the perfect like classical architecture European city, like this is pretty awesome. Like in my mind, like what I imagine that stereotype to be, this is definitely it. Yo, just like everywhere in Albania, everybody's got a Benz. It's like Benz.
BMW.
So if you're living out here, I would say you probably want to get yourself like a 10-year-old Benz.
I heard it's cheap, 2,000 or something?
Yeah, I've heard like 2,000 euros you can get like a 10-year-old Benz, and the parts are cheap because you're in Europe, so it's all European parts. I mean, You know, it's like another hidden advantage to being in Albania that you might not think about, but you could be pushing the Benz on some low, you know, low dough.
Dope car for cheap.
What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.